5 little frogs by a shiny green pond, splashing and hopping from near and beyond. One jumped high with a happy kerplop. Then there were 4 frogs sitting on a rock. 4 little frogs croaking loud ribbit-ree, playing in the water under a tall tree. One leaped far with a splashy drop. Then there were 3 frogs on the lily pad top. 3 little frogs in the bright sunshine, bouncing and wiggling in a funny line, One jumped away with a giggle and hop. Then there were 2 frogs on the pond dock. 2 little frogs having so much fun, catching tiny flies in the warm sun, One splashed off with a happy plop. Then there was 1 frog on the big